Okay, so I'm back with the breeding process. These are the chicks that hatched. They're up and walking around and just being chicks. Okay, so that's chick number 1, and that's chick number 2. And since my video was blurry, I'm going to show you the parents. Alright, this is the dad. A beautiful opaline, or opaline, or however you pronounce it. And the female is in the nest box. That's the female, that's the baby that they weren't feeding. This is the mom. If she'll let me get a good, come on, come out. Alright, this is the mom. Right there, beautiful.